A general explanation of the Buddha speaks of Amitabha Sutra, with commentary by the Venerable Master Hua. Verse for opening a sutra. The unsurpassed, profound, and wonderful Dharma is difficult to encounter in hundreds of millions of eons. I now see and hear it, receive and uphold it, and I vow to fathom the Tathagata's true meaning. Amitabha, the next word in the title, is a Sanskrit word which means limitless light. Amitabha's other name, Amitayus, means limitless life. But you might ask, the sutra says that it has been 10 kalpas since Amitabha realized Buddhahood. 10 kalpas is a definite length of time. Why do you speak of limitless life and then measure it out in time? Amitayus' limitless life refers to his blessing and virtue. Limitless light refers to his wisdom. His wisdom light is limitless and bright. Limitless life, limitless light. Not only are his blessings, virtues, and wisdom limitless, but so are his spiritual powers, his eloquence, his attributes, and his teachings. There is no way to count them because they are infinite, nowhere present and nowhere absent. Where did the limitless come from? Mathematicians should know that the limitless comes from the One. One is many and many are one. A scholar once wrote a book and said, large numbers are written by starting with one and then employing many place-holding zeros. Keep adding zeros until the space between heaven and earth is filled. When you have written all over your wall and cover your floors, can you determine the total? Couldn't you still add another zero? Numbers are endless. Amitabha Buddha's life, wisdom, merit, virtue, and way power are all infinite and unbounded. If you want a big figure, go ahead and write columns of zeros. Knowing that there can be no definite total, the Buddha, who is the perfection of intelligence, just said, limitless and uncountable. Mathematics can explain infinity, and scientists have sent men into space to study it. But having arrived in empty space, there is still more empty space beyond. There is no end to it. Numbers go on infinitely, and in this way, we can understand the vast expanse of Amitabha Buddha's blessedness, his virtue, and his wisdom. Therefore, he is called Amita. Both Amitabha and Shakyamuni Buddha were people who became Buddhas. They did not descend from the heavens or ascend from the deeps of the earth. As people, they cultivated the Dharma, and now they are sages, people who have realized the results. According to the classification of sutra titles, this sutra is established by reference to a person, but not a person like us. He is a Buddha, one who has realized the results. We are living beings. we have not realized the results, but are cultivating the cause of Buddhahood. Once Buddhahood is realized, we will be sages. This sage name, Amitabha Buddha, is used to classify the title of the sutra.